Hello, it's Susan here for Boku No Hero Cosplay, and today we're going to be making the apron for the fantasy AU Tsuyu from Boku No Hero Academia. For Tsuyu's apron, we're going to be using Berta 7057, and we're going to be using the apron pattern for view F. Fold your green fabric in half. In this case, I'm using a dark green Kona cotton, and position the pattern along the fold, and we're going to cut out the base apron piece. Finish the edges of the sides and bottom of the apron using a rolled hem. To make the flower design along the edge of Tsuyu's apron, I got this embroidered mesh from my local Joann's, and now we're going to cut out the individual pieces. This is the smaller piece right there, but we're also going to cut out some of the larger ones and some of the medium-sized ones, and trim away the mesh so that there's a little bit left behind so that we have something to grip onto. Then I arranged the pieces along the edge of the apron, and now I'm hand sewing them into place through the mesh all along the edges. And here's what it looks like with all of the embroidery sewn on. Then sew a gathering stitch along the top of the apron. Gather the skirt together and attach it to the waistband piece, leaving a little bit on each side for seam allowance. Next, we're going to take the waist tie pieces, cut two of them out of the green cotton. Then we're going to do a rolled hem along the long sides and along the bottom. Pleat the raw edge of the waist tie and sew it to the waistband from the center to the end. Putting right sides together, fold over the waistband, folding the raw edge inward, and sew it in place. Pull on the waist ties to turn the waistband right side out. Then we're going to fold under the back bottom edge and hand sew it into place. And you can also remove any of the gathering stitches that are peeking out as well. And with that, Tsuyu's apron is done. For more tutorials on how to make the rest of the costume, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching!